In this demonstration, I'm going to configure the router RIP configuration, and to do that, I'm going to open Cisco Packet Tracer. Here, I'm going to design the network and IP address. Okay, let's take a look. Select 2 router and 4 computer, the end device. Okay, and 2 network switch, which is 24. And 1 and 2, and the 4 end device computer, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Clear. And open the router. This is empty router right now. I'm going to add the serial port. Select the serial port and turn on. And select the second router, same. Okay, turn on. Now I'm going to connect the cable each and every device and select the automatic choose connection type. This will automatically connect the cable. Yes, we have designed the network. Clear. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign the IP address of each and every device. Okay, first I'm going to create the IP address. We have the 3 network, 192.168.10.0 is the network. Okay, let me network. Clear. Giga Ethernet 0/0. I'm going to enter the IP address 192.168.10.1, and this network I'm gonna give 192.168.30.0 is a network, and the Giga Ethernet 168.30.1. The serial port I'm gonna enter 192.168.20.2 is the IP. Alright, clear. 192.168.20.0 is a network. Okay, IP is this end. SE0/ is 2.1 and here 2.2. Clear. And now we have designed the network, okay, for router RIP configuration. Assign the desktop IP also 192.168.10.2 is the computer IP. Default gateway is router 10.1, and here 192.168.10.2. oh yes, 2, and the default 192.168.10.1. and the other network, which is 30 series, 192.168.30.2 is the computer IP, and the default gateway will come 192.168.30.1, and they assign the IP 192.168.30.3, and the default 192.168.30.1. Okay, now everything is clear. So now I'm going to open the router number 1, and select CLI command, and in this section I'm going to enter no and enter the command enable mode and hit enter and type configure terminal and hit enter, and select the interface which is Giga Ethernet 0/0. Type interface Giga Ethernet 0/0 and hit enter and add the IP address of 10.cs and type IP address 192.168.10.1 space 255.255.255.0 and hit enter and type the next command no shut and hit enter. Now the one side line is up, you can see the changed state to up. Okay, clear. And I'm going back to the configure terminal mode, type exit command and select the second serial port. Okay, and type your interface serial 0/1/0 and hit enter and add IP address 192.168.20.2 is the IP of serial slash. Okay, and space 255.255.255.0 and hit enter, and in this serial port you can see the clock symbol. You need to enter the clock rate of that interface because that is serial port. Okay, the one end you need to enter and type the clock rate 64,000 and hit enter and type the command no shutdown and hit enter, and we have entered the command all. Still the color is red because the other end we need to configure, then only the state will change. Okay, so the one side of router configuration is done, so we will come back for the router RIP configurations. Okay, and I'm going back to the second router, same command and different network. All right, and type in this section no and enable mode configure terminal and hit enter and select the interface SE 0/1/0 and hit enter and add the IP address 192.168.20.1 is the other end IP. Okay, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and hit enter and type no shut. Okay, now you can see the router to router, the green color is up, and go back to the terminal mode, exit, type interface Giga Ethernet 0/0. Okay, in this network Giga Ethernet 0/0 and hit enter. Type IP address 192.168.30.1 is the IP and 255.255.255.0 is the subnet mask and hit enter. Clear. And type no shutdown, enter. Clear. Now you can see the all network is up this orange color will change. Wait for a few minutes. Now what I'm going to do is, first router, to enter the command, the router RIP configuration, go back to the exit command and type router RIP and hit enter. You need to enter two network, okay, which is 10.0 and the other end 20.0. Clear? Enter the command, the first router, type network 192.168.10.1 is the network IP of Giga Ethernet and hit enter. And the second network is network 192.168.20.2 is the second network and hit enter and clear in this area. I'm going to select router and the same command you have to enter. Go back to the terminal mode, exit, and type here router RIP and hit enter. And the network, you have to enter this network, the 30.0 network. Clear? And type 192.168.20.1, enter, and the same network type 192.168.30.1 and hit enter. Now we have configured the router RIP configurations, and let's check the configuration is whether it's working properly. I'm going to send the mail from the 10. Network to the 30. Network. I'm going to select the mail and send it to 30. Computer. Still showing failed because it will take some time. Send again and getting process. Continue again, and now successful. Clear? Now we have a complete the picture. I will show you how to configure the RIP configuration, which is routing information protocol. Okay, this is very useful for the IT beginner, and I will show you the simulator. It's working properly. Now this 10. Computer sending packets to the switch and router first and the router second, and same switch to other NPC 30.2 30.3 computer. It's working properly, the router RIP configurations. You can check. Now this 3 last status is in progress. Once it is done, it's successful. This network is sending back to the 10. Series network the packets. Once it is done, now you can see the successful first and second, and now the third. Yes, this is the way how to configure router RIP. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Please comment below if you have any doubts, and I will upload the new videos.